In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export PDF in Figma. If you've ever needed to share crisp mockups, hand off a compact file to a client, or bundle multiple frames into a single document, exporting a PDF from Figma is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it clearly, add context along the way, and share a few practical tips so you get a clean, predictable result every time. Start by opening your Figma project. Make sure the file you want to export is loaded, and if it helps, zoom to fit so you can see the frames or pages you plan to include. A quick tip before we continue. Naming your frames clearly, like cover, overview, or screen 01, will make it easier to confirm what gets included later. Next, look toward the bottom area of the Figma interface and click the action icon to bring up more options. This opens the path to the tools you need for exporting. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find community tools that extend Figma's native features and make common tasks, like creating multi-page PDFs, even easier. In the Plugins and Widgets view, use the search bar to look for Export PDF. You'll see plugins designed specifically for this purpose. Select the one that appears in your results to launch it. If this is your first time opening it in this file, Figma may prompt you to allow access. Go ahead and proceed so the plugin can read which frames or pages are available. Once the plugin is open, you'll see a side panel where you can reselect what you want to include. This could be individual frames, a set of frames, or items from the current page. As you adjust your selection, the panel updates automatically, so you can confirm at a glance that you've got the right content. If you selected specific frames before opening the plugin, they'll often be pre-checked here, which saves time. Keep an eye on the order of items as listed in the panel. If something looks out of place, rename or reselect to get the sequence you want reflected in the PDF. When everything looks correct, click Export. The plugin will compile your selection and trigger a download. Depending on your browser or desktop settings, the PDF will either save automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. Give it a quick check. Open the file, flip through the pages, and confirm that the content, order, and scale match your expectations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.